Hi, my name is Preetha. I welcome you to my channel. In today's video, we are going to make a very lovely spinach gravy, which goes great with white rice. It's a very quick recipe, so I thought it would be great to share this recipe with you guys. Stick around and watch it till the end. So let's get started. I've already got 2 packets of spinach leaves. I'm gonna grab one onion. We're gonna take a medium-sized onion and cut it into finely chopped pieces. This goes to make our base. And by the way, I said 2 packets of spinach leaves. Well, they're about 250 grams of spinach leaves. Then grab it, put it in. Fairly decent sized tomato. So I'm gonna cut a tomato. Again, finely chopped pieces. 1 tomato, 1 onion. We have our small tomato pieces with this. We're not done yet. After this, we'll need a decent amount of garlic. I'm gonna take, let me see what I got. I have, okay, that's 1 done. I'm kind of greedy, so let me go for another one. I've got 3 good-sized cloves of garlic. Now I'll cut them into small pieces. The smaller the piece of the garlic, the better it is, because at that point we don't bite into the garlic. I have my tomatoes that is finely chopped, and then I have my garlic that is 3 cloves of garlic finely chopped. We have our onions here ready to be fried. Let's go ahead and add some oil to it. We'll be cooking all this on medium heat. Stir the onions until it gets to the golden brown color. I have about a 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder and 1/2 teaspoon of chili powder. I'll go ahead and add this to our frying pan and continue stirring. Mix it in well. Here comes my salt. Salt to taste. 1/2 teaspoon of salt to begin with. Let's add our garlic. My good old exhaust fan is trying to impress. Ignore her. Here we go again, stirring away. Next up, we're ready to add our tomatoes here. Our little tomatoes here. You must be wondering, how come there's only so much that's gone into it? Well, you'll see. But I'm here to tell you that some of the best recipes are products of fewer ingredients. It's not like, you just open your cabinet and grab all the spices and put it in there. Simple cooking tastes more awesome than the ones where you have all the spices dropped in. Where one spice or one ingredient is fighting for dominance. So, keep this thought in mind as we give this a good stir. Let's bring our beautiful, beautiful spinach leaves. Am I gonna remove the stalks of these spinach leaves? Not quite. I'm just gonna add it all. I'm just waiting for the tomatoes to pull away from the corners at this point. I'm sure you'll agree with me that every ingredient in a recipe has to be given its own time to cook. Now we can add our spinach leaves. This is all it gets. I don't exactly cut it, but sometimes a small twist. There's no need to add water as a lot of water comes from the leaves. So how many people is our recipe going to serve? Well, it's going to serve 2 or 3 people. You could try eating this with pasta, but I would say rice is better. We have our lovely spinach gravy done. If you like this recipe, give it a like and share it with your friends. Also, subscribe to my channel to catch me in my future videos. I'll see you in my next video. Take care. Bye-bye. Oh, here you are.